Today, we about to remove door panel on the driver's side. Alright? Okay, first things first. Let's take this off right here. Flathead. There's a screw right under there. Boom. There you go. There's your screw. Don't lose that cap. There's a 10 right there. You can use a 10 or a Phillips. If you don't have a 10, I got a 10. 10. Now let's remove this right here with your flathead. Pop this out. Pop this up. Slowly, don't break it. This. Okay, don't break it. Pull back on it. Pull back. Pull it out. Two connectors right here. Take them off. Soon you do that, soon you remove this and this, you gotta take off this trim. You see this trim? Carefully take it off with a flathead. Carefully. Move this trim. Oh, fuck. Damn. Don't break yours like mine, man. My fucking bro. Damn it. Move yours slowly. You gotta get to this bolt right here. The 10. Okay. Ah, fuck. Lucky it's the part out, man. See? There's a 10 right there. Or Phillips. One right there. One over here. See? Right there. Boom. Take those off. Okay, once you take those off, take out this metal piece. That now. This door. Pick it up. Okay, see, I had to use two hands because one hand wasn't enough. Okay, once you do that, you gotta take off this thing off the door. I don't know if you see. Okay, there you go. You see? Just pull and pull up. And this one, same thing. Pull up and pop it out. And it's two connectors right here. One here. One over here. Okay. That's it. It's a door panel right here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, now you could do whatever you're doing. You could change the regulator over here, or if you're doing the speaker, you can change the speaker. And yeah, man. Now let's put it back on. I need this shit back on. Okay, now to put it back. Easy. Same way we took it out. Let's put these on the door first. One. It's at the top, the L-shaped shit at the top. Push down on it. And put this right here in between. Boom. Same thing with the bottom. Boom. Connect this down here. Boom. And boom. Now let's put these through the hole right here. I put the thing like I go like this. Okay. See how I just pull it in there and then put it up. Put the door up and push down on it like this. Push it down. Make sure the holes is matched up with the clips down there. Okay, so push down on it. Bang like this. Should be good. Okay. Now, this trim that I broke. I don't think I'm gonna put that back on, but let's put the metal piece. This metal piece, put it back here. Okay. Now let's put the 10s in there, in those holes. That one and the one over here. Okay, make sure you put this cap back on there. When you put the 10 in there, put that back on there. Put the switch back. Connect your tube here. Put it in like this, downwards like this, down first. Then push down on it. Now let's put the trim here. After you put your bolts, make sure your bolts are in here. The trim on. Mine's broken, so yours is gonna be in shape, hopefully. If you take it out good, it won't crack. Yeah, put those back. I'll put this back. And man, make sure your switches work. Your light work, your windows work. Check those. That is it. All right. If you need help, let me know. Comment below. Keep me on Instagram. And don't forget to give me a like if I helped you out. And subscribe. Later.